I dropped my cheeky chili. Cry with me. I ordered some groceries from the South African shop and we are going to unbox my order together. Let's get into it.
I came across the Savannah Angry Lemon and I thought, why not give it a try? I used to get Savannah Dry in Home Bargains, but they don't sell it anymore. It's just a myth now. And then I got this creamy garlic peri peri sauce. And then I also got the Iwisa instant maize porridge. I've had that previously, really liked it, and so did my kids. And some cheeky chili, and also that 6-gun grill seasoning. Mwah. The main reason for me placing this order was actually to restock on my spices. I don't know, there's just something about Southern African seasoning that just hits the spot, and that Portuguese spice, baby, that is the holy grail. Okay, Robertson's definitely does the trick for me.
Southern African in me definitely has a thing for anything that is grape flavored. Let's try it.
I also came across this grape tizer and I just had to try it, and I was not disappointed.
I'm here for it.
Lastly, I got this blueberry cordial.
This completes my Southern African grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I will catch you on the next one.